Hello, I can help you with some information and tips on how to become a successful data science candidate. Data science is a fast-growing and competitive field that requires a combination of technical and soft skills. Here are 5 skills that companies look for in data science candidates, and some project ideas to demonstrate them. Data analysis and visualization. Data science candidates should be able to collect, clean, explore, and visualize data using various tools and techniques. They should also be able to interpret and communicate the insights and findings from the data. Some project ideas to showcase this skill are: analyzing and visualizing the COVID-19 pandemic data using Python, Pandas, and Plotly. Analyzing and visualizing the Airbnb listings data using R, dplyr, and ggplot2. Analyzing and visualizing the Spotify songs data using SQL and Tableau. Programming and machine learning. Data science candidates should be proficient in at least one programming language, such as Python, R, or SQL, and be familiar with the fundamentals of machine learning, such as algorithms, models, and frameworks. They should also be able to apply machine learning techniques to solve real-world problems. Some project ideas to showcase this skill are: building and deploying a sentiment analysis model using Python, TensorFlow, and Flask. Building and deploying a movie recommendation system using R, Shiny, and Azure Machine Learning. Building and deploying a credit card fraud detection system using SQL, PySpark, and Azure Synapse Analytics. Critical thinking and problem solving. Data science candidates should be able to think logically and creatively, and be able to formulate and test hypotheses, identify and solve problems, and optimize solutions. They should also be able to handle ambiguity and uncertainty, and adapt to changing requirements and scenarios. Some project ideas to showcase this skill are: solving and explaining data science interview questions using Python, R, or SQL. Solving and explaining data science case studies using various frameworks and methodologies. Solving and explaining data science puzzles and brain teasers using mathematical and logical reasoning. Communication and storytelling. Data science candidates should be able to communicate effectively and persuasively with different audiences, such as technical, business, or general, using various modes, such as written, verbal, or visual. They should also be able to tell compelling and engaging stories with data, and present their results and recommendations clearly and confidently. Some project ideas to showcase this skill are: writing and publishing a data science blog post or article using Medium, WordPress, or GitHub. Creating and presenting a data science portfolio or resume using GitHub, LinkedIn, or Google Sites. Creating and presenting a data science report or dashboard using Power BI, Tableau, or Google Data Studio. Domain knowledge and business acumen. Data science candidates should have a good understanding of the domain and industry they are working in, and be aware of the current trends, challenges, and opportunities. They should also have a good sense of the business goals and objectives, and be able to align their data science solutions with them. Some project ideas to showcase this skill are: conducting and presenting a data science market research or analysis using web scraping, APIs, or surveys. Conducting and presenting a data science competitive analysis or benchmarking using web scraping, APIs, or surveys. Conducting and presenting a data science cost-benefit analysis or return on investment using financial modeling, simulation, or optimization. These are some of the skills that companies look for in data science candidates, and some project ideas to demonstrate them. However, there are more skills and projects that you can explore. I hope this helps you prepare for your data science career.